It's Felix, your data analyst. Today we are looking at retail sales and customer demography. Let's look at the KPIs first. We have the KPIs listed above there on the dashboard. Those are total number of customers, the revenue made, the minimum age, maximum age, and the average age of our customers. Also, we have from the dashboard we can denote the purchasing behavior based on age and gender of our customer. And also here we can denote the proportion of sales based on seasons, and also below it we have the proportion of product category based on customer, and we have our relationship of age and quantity between product category. This is showing us the relationship of the age and quantity between the product category. So we have our slicers here, slicers for the age. We can decide to click mark some ages we want to know their demography, so you can see the dashboard response to this, and also we can clear that off once we are done and we go back to so we have the seasons. If you want to look at filter based on seasons, you can go for the spring and receive the result of the spring only. You can also see for the summer only. Also, this is the result for the summer. Also, the same thing applies also to the gender. If you want to check which gender, this is the male report, and also this is the female report here. So that is the slides giving us some meaningful insight to the data. Let's go to the next page of our dashboard. On the next page, we also see that we have some slicers here. That is the gender and the age. Also, we have the product category and the customer group. And right here we have the questionnaire board. So, and this chart shows the trend of shopping habits based on season. So based on the season, so we can see the trend of our where the customers were shopping. And also we have distribution of purchased quantity. So this is showing the distribution of the purchased quantity, and above it we have the summary of the report. This gives us a meaningful summary, detailed in text, so you can read it and we get more insight into what the report is actually saying. And that is all for my presentation. Thank you.